And we're back with another knife review. We're going to do the Bastion Stryker. It is a new EDC knife from Bastion. Let's go ahead and slide this out of the way. It comes in two colors, black and wolf gray. We'll start with this one here. They are the standard flipper. You can do a thumb stud or the flipper tab in the back. Let's go ahead and go over the specs. The blade is D2. Of course, it has dual thumb stud. Scale material is G10. And the frame lock here is a titanium coated stainless steel. Overall length of the knife is 7.75 inches. Blade length is 3.3 inches. Blade width is 0.875. The handle length is 4.5 inches. Uses ceramic ball bearings for the pivot. And the weight of the knife is just a hair over 4 ounces. It also has the see-through chassis. Satin finish for the blade. Uses 2 barrel spacers for spacing of the knife. Stainless steel pocket clip. Right hand tip up carry. Uses a flat pivot cap, we kind of like that, and the rounded edges of the G10 over the scale. Over the frame there. Let's go ahead and show you how this knife cuts. We'll start with something relatively simple. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly. Bring some paracord over here. You can see it cut right through that. Didn't have any fraying. Do a pullback cut this time. Not too bad. Very nice cut. Bring some cardboard. It wasn't quite ready, but we're already through that piece. So we'll start at the front and work our way to the back of the knife. And back to front. As you can see, it cuts effortlessly. Even does nice precision cuts on stabbing and cutting through. Wouldn't be a bad everyday EDC. I think I kind of like this knife. Doesn't have a lanyard hole, which is, okay, it's not a must for me. Like the styling of this knife. To recap, it's D2, frame lock, flipper, using thumb stud or flipper tab in the back. Has nice balance to this knife. I can't get it to sit on my finger. It wants to go side to side, but it's not going back and forth. That's nice. We like a knife with nice balance. You can also use a thumb stud when you're doing more precision cutting. So it doesn't really need the jimping in this case. And of course it comes in black and wolf gray. Give you a little close up there. For you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you subscribe to Atlantic Knife or follow, like our post. Comment below if you have any questions. We'd be more than happy to answer them. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Watch our content. We do tons of 1 minute, 5 minute videos and do a weekly show that puts a humorous spin on knife collecting. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.